Hello, my name is Emily Bynon and I'm Principal Flute of the Concertgebouw Orchestra in Amsterdam. On the 26th of March last year, I posted my very first video on YouTube. It was a short trailer about my new LIP series. And to celebrate, if that's the right word, that 1 year milestone, I'm going to hold an exclusive question and answer session on Zoom on Friday the 26th of March this year at 3 p.m. That's Amsterdam time, which is 2 p.m. in London, 9 a.m. in New York, and 11 p.m. in Tokyo. And if you'd like to take part, all you have to do is send me your question along with a brief description, just a few sentences about who you are, where you study or studied, which flute you play, and what you're doing now. And if you're selected to take part, I will send you an email with the Zoom link. And if you have a question but can't take part live on Friday, then do send me your question anyway, because I'll be reading out and trying to answer some of those questions as we go along in the Zoom session. And I'll post a video of that whole Zoom meeting to my YouTube channel afterwards. So by submitting your question, please note that you're agreeing to be filmed in the Zoom session and that I can post it to YouTube afterwards. And if you'd rather remain anonymous, please specify that clearly. So send your question and a brief description to me through my website emilybynon.com by 3 p.m. on Tuesday the 23rd of March. That's Amsterdam time. I look forward to reading your questions and hopefully seeing you in Zoom on Friday the 26th of March.